Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button and the win, and let's us start our live streaming for Wednesday. Good morning, everybody. AKTS, guys, is the number one for today. Is the number one stock that we have to watch. It hit our profit taken that we discussed earlier in our live streaming. So we're gonna see if we're gonna have another pump. Let's wait everybody to tune in. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me all right. Yeah, it's tanking, brother, because it hit already the first profit. So it's okay. We have a great question from one of our hunter here around NVIDIA. Let me know if you can hear me, brother. We got requests earlier from our hunter on Patreon asking about NVIDIA. Are you here? If you're there, let me know so I could cover NVIDIA. Andres, we're gonna discuss GameStop in a minute. GameStop, yes, GameStop is still low on activity. Nicola, it's been a while last time we covered Nicola. Good morning, Xander. Yes, here. String Beacon. Great hunt for today. Market, we already have a really good today pre-market hunt for many stocks. One of them is AKTS, guys. We already took our profit for this trade that we triggered early on our live streaming here. We've got a good entry for we discuss, of course, this one. AKTS was number one, guys, on our list. We traded first earlier today on the pre-market live streaming. And of course, we did the update for AKTS earlier. Yeah, AKTS was really good. It was the last trade that we did today, I think, in the live streaming. Now it's pulling back a bit. Yeah, now is recovering a bit. So as you can see here, BNED was on our live streaming hunt. and AKTS, of course. You see here, we said the 34, guys. We said the 34 is the resistance, and profit taken, the first one is the 46. 53, we almost hit the second profit taken, but we got rejected. We took profit earlier for this one after we broke from this flag around the 30, I think, and we exited on the 39. So this one was a really good trade earlier in our live streaming. And now it's still holding the 38, so we might have a test for the 63 or the 53 at least. So it's still strong, guys. This one is still looking all right. If we held the 38, would be perfect. So AKTS is number one stock to watch. With the top volume gainer right now in the pre-market, 180, guys. This is the only one that moving great in the pre-market. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. SYT. Nothing much for this one. So yeah, we watching AKTS, the only one that look good right now. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like on the way in. Don't forget. Yeah, this one was yeah, around the 32. We already exited from this trade, guys, for AKTX. For AKTS, yes, around 36.90. 36.90, the first resistance, and now is near the 50. For this one, we took BuzzFeed. Yeah, BuzzFeed, it wasn't good trade because we got fooled buying here. Price went down, we exited there, then price pushed up. So we have a tricky trade. It jumped almost 31%, this one. So I'm not trading it right now because still I'm not confident. And KTS is still pumping, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure to refresh our live streaming, guys. Refresh our live streaming. GWAV. Someone said Nicolas going bankrupt. Nicola, let's check Nicola. Nothing much for Nicola. Is getting near or inside our support. The bottom. Yeah, it's getting inside the bottom, everybody. Doesn't look good for now. We have the 68. Testing the bottom. AKTS, guys, this is the top gainer for today and it's still pumping. Reverse from the support. You know what? This one look still good. We could have another jump. Already initiate this trade from the early live streaming that we did. We have two entry, guys. The first one, it was here, and the second one was there after we broke. We bought the dip, of course, and now the price is want to do a new high. We could actually exit right now, then enter again if we broke the 50. And again, this trade was good in the pre-market. It was really good on our live streaming that we did today. We took the first profit taken, as we said, around the 36.90. Then we have another entry right now. And is wise to actually take profit on this one because we're up 20% for now. And now it's pulling back. We might continue to pull back because we had the first profit taken. So I might close my trade for this one because I don't want to hold for a chance for a pullback down. Yeah. Big seller came around the 46 again. Okay. Try to close this trade. Tanib, okay, you are here. Great. I'm gonna cover NVIDIA for you, brother. I already put it here on our list. But before we gonna cover NVIDIA, I'm trying to close AKTS, the trade that we did today on our live streaming. It was really good entry in pre-market. We hunted together on our live streaming. If you're wondering, guys, we do our live streaming every day, 2 hours and 30 minutes before this live streaming for our King and Elite members. And of course, we discussed AKTS earlier from this breakout, and we discussed the breakout around the 41, profit taken around the 46, the first one. So we hit it. I was a bit greedy to hold until the 53, but we went until the 50, and the price pulled back. So now I could do a train stop for this one because it could go toward the 53 and more, let's say the 63. But there's a chance for a big seller here around the 46. We might have another dip on the market open, so I don't want to risk that much. I will wait for it to coil up around the 46 to see if we're gonna break or we're gonna get shorted. Otherwise, it's time to close this trade. Yeah, this one, AKTS, the unicorn for today, guys. The top unicorn for today that we hunted in the pre-market live streaming. And still jumping. We have 27% on this trade. We have two trades for this one. As we said, we traded twice. The first, it was there. The second was on this dip. But it's wise is to close it, guys, to be honest. It's wise to close it. I'm trying to close it, but there's something going on. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. This one, I'm trying to close it right now, but I have a bit of trouble to close it. Anyway, I will come back to it later. In the time being, guys, let us discuss NVIDIA because we have earnings for today. We've got earnings for today after hours. So NVIDIA, we might have the 1000, guys, because this is the resistance. If we broke the 966, we might have the 1000 for NVIDIA. Otherwise, we're going to have a huge pullback. We might have a huge pullback here for NVIDIA. It look really good. Yes, NVIDIA, it look really good for a trade. Nice trade for today. Today is the day for NVIDIA to see the 1000, everybody. If we saw that 1000 is me, we're going to have a split for NVIDIA coming up. Maybe 4 to 1. So watch out for this breakout for today, brother. We have that 1000 target for today. Jump 7% or 10% at least. Around the 1100. Support for now to confirm that is holding over the 885. So we have to hold over the 885 to break this resistance. Oh, I forgot. I put sell limit order. That's why I couldn't close it. Man, I forgot that. Now I could close it. So AKTS, guys, I might do a training stop for this one. I might do training stop. So I'm gonna put alert for this one just below this level. If we hold over the 42, I'm gonna hold it because we might break this orange line and go up again. So this one trailing stop, guys, we activated trailing stop. We're already 25 on this trade. We already entered earlier on our live streaming. We're waiting for the market open. Next level. Okay, using our live stream as a radio. String picking, no, I made a mistake because I forgot I put a stop limit order for KTS, but yeah, I could close it anytime now. But I didn't close it because as Bharat support right now, if we hold over the 24, I'm gonna do train stop. Otherwise, I'm gonna close it if we broke the 24 because we might go again toward the 38 and flush down. So this one, guys, on the pre-market, on the market open, we might have either a pump or a dump. There is no in between. Yeah, AKTS number one. AKTS number one. Guys, remember, we're gonna have a long weekend because Monday the market is closed. So guys, hit the like button. Let us have a new number to hit the 100 like before the market open. Oh boy, this one it might have a pullback before the market open. BNED. Some of you said this one could be GameStop. I don't know about that. For now, it doesn't look good for me. I will wait for it to have something change in the market open. For now, guys, we could go to sleep because we're already traded in the. Oh man, AKTS is breaking the support, so I'm gonna exit, guys, very quickly for this one. Yeah, I'm gonna exit. This doesn't look good now. Short just added their position again around the 46. So we exited from this trade. I'm not gonna hold to see what's gonna happen. As we said, guys, AKTS was perfect today. Before the market opened by 2 hours and a half, we traded AKTS. This is the second trade actually, because the first entry for AKTS was around this breakout from this flag. We took profit around the 39. After that, we entered again around this dip because this is the support over the 29, and we took our profit right now just below the 50. So overall is really good because the first trade was here. Yes, around it's 36.90. It was a really good trade, fast trade, and even our hunters took their profit around this level. Great hunt, string picking. Great hunt for today. SYTA. SYTA. One of our members said, wow. Yeah, 65%. But again, I'm not comfortable trading this one yet. Yeah, maybe it will be good later because the market is about to open in 5 minutes. This one could be good. Yes. We have a major resistance to break around the 5. After that, we have the 8. Or the 595. Okay, SYTA maybe would be good. BZFD, the same, 55%. GameStop, some of you asking what's going on. AMC, the same. There's nothing changed technically so far. We have to wait for a drama to begin after we break the 583. GameStop, the same. We have to wait to break the 25. The good thing is we're still consolidating sideways here. So it's not bad after the big selling pressure. Back in the 17th of May, that's Friday. Again, as we said, guys, we've got less than 5 minutes on the market open. Guess what? As we discussed, guys, we've got a long weekend. Next Monday is the Memorial Day. Exactly. So the Monday market closed. We have just 2 days left, guys. Today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Then we're gonna have a long weekend ahead. So what's gonna happen? 2 minutes left. So disclaimer, guys, before we start our live streaming for today, remember our live streaming is a bit delayed. So don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. Again, today is Wednesday. We already traded the market in the pre-market, guys, here on our live streaming earlier that we do every day. So if you want to have early access, join us on the King and Elite level for early hunt, because today we already traded 3 stocks: AKTS, BZFD, and BNED. For AKTS was good because we took profit around the 37, then again around the 50. This one wasn't good because we have a fake out, so we exited with a little loss. After that, we have, of course, the last one was BNAD. We took profit on it in the pre-market. So all those trade, guys, before even the market open. You see, pre-market is really good to catch mini stocks before the market open, of course. This one we have to wait again to have an exit from the $1.11. Otherwise, I'm not touching it. AKTS is still holding. We might have a huge pullback. That's why we exited from it, guys. I don't want to risk it. We exited from this trade, waiting for the market open. Hit the like, guys. Hit the like on the way in. Don't forget. Come on, let's hit the 100 likes before the market open. SYTA is here, guys. We have the $3.68 as a support to hold over this level. Once the market open, we need to hold here. Simple as that. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The Abe, whatever you watching, if you are Abe or not, we discussed AMC. We said it's still slow. However, we are accumulating, so there's a chance for a test. Once we test the 580 for AMC, it's game on. 25, 27 already put alerts. Once we break it, we're gonna go and watch GameStop live. Now there's no action. Now we have to watch the other stocks, SYTA and AKTX. Okay, guys, hit the like and let's start our Wednesday hunt. Welcome everybody. AKTS. Let's see. It's pulling back. SYTA is pulling back. This one pulling back. BZFD is holding. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. You see what's happening, guys? AKTS is flashing, but it still have a chance for a reversal because we're still holding here, guys. 38.50. This one we already traded it here, guys. In the early live streaming, we catch those perfect entry for AKTS. You see, guys, trading in the pre-market is better because there's less sharks. And the market open, we have sharks. You see, they're shorting right now. They shorting AKTS. SYTA is pumping up. Oh man, SYTA looking kind of good. Kind of. BZFD, we got rejected around the 414. BNAD flush down, guys. This is cold flush, but it's still holding the current support, so we might have a reversal here just right now. MGOL, I don't like this because it broke the support a bit. It's a bit weak. Oh boy, AKTS is pumping and SYTA is pumping. We have two, guys. We have two stocks preparing for a squeeze, especially AKTS. Okay, 46 test. We didn't break yet. SYTA. We have a major resistance to break around the $5. AKTS is pumping. BNAD flushing down, so I don't like this one with MGOL. MGOL and BNAD, guys, not good. Let us watch AKTS, guys. AKTS is number one with SYTA. SYTA and this one, guys. This is crazy. But SYTA, I'm not comfortable entering here because we got big resistance around the 5. And AKTS, we've got a major resistance to break now around 50 cents, yes. If we don't break the 50 cent, we're going to have a pullback. AKTS, we might get halted up if we broke the 50. You see, SYTA is pulling back. AKTS, we might get halted, guys, because it's pumping a new high right now. We might have a huge jump right now. So AKTS looking good, guys, for another jump toward the 63, 55. Nice. Come on. We might get halted up, guys, for this one. AKTS 300%, the top gainer for today. The best entry, guys, for AKTS was here around this level. We traded this one earlier in our Discord, and we already took profit on it early before the market opened by 2 hours. And the entry, as we said, it was on our live streaming that we did today, guys. AKTS won a really good trade for today and this week even, because this one was perfect trade, guys. We traded around, I think, yeah, around the 33 or something. Yes, around this level. Yeah, we traded today. As you can look here, guys, we said the breakout happened exactly over the support. So we entered twice around this flag breakout. We took profit around the 36. Then we entered again around this bottom. And we took again profit around the 50. And now squeezing again toward the 36. This is AKTS, the top gainer for today, everybody. Top gainer. CYN, SGN, PGY. New subscriber. What's good entry for AMC? We're gonna discuss it, brother Patrick. Welcome. Thank you for the support and being a supporter for our Hunter channel. Again, brother, if you're new here, we don't just trade GME and GameStop, but we trade AKTS today. This was our top gainer for today. SYTA, we don't trade it yet. MGOL and BNED, I don't like the trend anymore, especially for BNED. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take those stocks from the list because I don't like them so much. GTPP, I'm going to take it from the list. So we've got a little list. GameStop is pulling back. Brother Patrick, remember, we already did the video. Every day we do a video for GameStop and AMC. Please consider watch them and consider be prepared for the new update that we're going to do today around 10 p.m. CET or once the market closes. We're going to do video update on YouTube. So last time we did the update, we said GameStop 27. This is the level where the short will cover. And AMC is around the 580. So either we buy after we break this resistance or we be ready to buy the dip around the $3.65. So we have two entry because in the middle, there's no action here. No volatility. The price will consolidate and waste our time here. The action will start again either once we buy the dip or we have the whale buying the dip, and this will trigger a huge volatility up, or where once we make the short seller cover and squeeze up. So there's two triggers. Either we trigger whale buying for the dip or short covering around the rib or around the resistance. There's nothing in between. SYTA up and down. There's no, yeah, it's getting near the 5. As we said, guys, it's not good to enter because big resistance around the 5. That's why we leave it be. AKTS, we have a breakout and fake out. BZFD kind of breaking now. Whoa, BZFD, we might have a winner here. BZFD, we might have a winner. Yes, we might have a nice dip here for this one. Maybe. Yeah, we might have a dip buying before the rip. This is it, guys. We need to hold the $4.14 to go toward the 462. If we have this, will be a good trade. We need the 462 for BZFD. AKTS, let me just check again. This one got shorted. SYTA. So AKTS, if we don't want to have a fake out and the price going down, we need to hold right now over the current support. Yes, over the 38. Otherwise, we're going to flush down, guys, for this one toward this bottom, the 29. So if we held here, we're going to have another try to test the 63, which is our level. Otherwise, this is we'll consider a fake out and a trap. BZFD is still trying to go toward the 462, guys. Yes, this one could be good because we have a breakout from the 414. We've got a target around the 462 at least for now. Let's see if we're going to have it. 441, 443. Come on, where's the 62? We're missing a little jump, guys, for this one to go toward our profit taking, the 462. Yeah, 48, 49. A little bush, a little more bush. Okay, 49. Guys, is about to hit our profit taking right now. Right now, right now. You see what's happened here? We got near the 60 and we push back down because there's a big seller around the 62. You see what's happened? Bastards, man. They just came early. They just came early for BZFD. Guys, this stock I don't trust that much. I don't like this stock. It doesn't respect the level. We could have tested, man. We missed just few cents to test the profit. But it's still good, guys, because we're still holding the 414. So the buyer is still there. So there's a chance for a reversal again up. AKTS, again, we need to break the 50 to go toward the 63. Current support is 38. BZFD, guys. What a huge volatility, man. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day. Yes, BEND. I think the short seller saw that we took it from the list, so they bought it back. MGOL, nothing much. BN in the reversed, yes, reversed around the 70 and halted up. So this one, you know, the technical I don't like that much, man. Even if it's halted up, I'm not trading this one. SYTA is pulling back, is testing our support. So SYTA could reverse right now, guys. $3.68. BZFD, guys, I don't like this stock anymore. It got rejected just below our profit taken. Yeah, it's kind of tricky one. So let us watch AKTS instead. Try to break again the 50 cents. If we didn't break this level, it's be not good. We have to break it now. Let us see which stock that got halted. YSG. Wow, OCGN. We don't have many stock got halted today. BNAD, I think, is resumed. Yes, we have the resumption right now. 1008 is a bit risky play, guys. OCGN, finally, we have it on the haltation system. AHI, YNDX, YSG. All those stocks are halted. BNAD is squeezing, testing the resistance, $1.14. We might get rejected. OCGN. OCGN has halted down. We got YSG halted down. AHI not good. SYTA still holding the support. YNDX low on volume. This one is still trying, guys. Still trying. BNED halted again, I think. AMC and GameStop, guys, no action so far. No action. If you're watching, guys, if you're watching for GameStop and AMC, we already discussed them earlier. They're sleeping right now because they are below the resistance. Chief, you are welcome. I'm really happy that you're learning a lot by watching our live streaming. Thank you, brother. Please share our live streaming if you know anybody want to learn and know how to trade the market. The best way to learn is by trading live, of course, or seeing someone trading live. So share our live streaming, brother. Sharing is caring. Yeah, B and ED, we have a huge wick. It was unusual because we broke the support here around 38 or 83. But the strongest support was actually around 65. So you see, those kind of stocks, guys, you have to be willing to lose 20, 25%. So that's why I don't trade it, because 20% for me is too much, man. 20% for trade is too much. So now it's jumped. Of course, you can lose 20%, but you can gain 50% if you entered around the bottom. But the bottom was really tricky, you know, really tricky, because we broke the 81. Once we broke the 81, I took it from the list. And after that, reverse and pumped up. So even if I go back in time, I could have anticipated this reversal. You have to be a gambler for this one. Woof. Woof. What's going on with this one? Whoa, 31%. Not bad. Yeah, this one as well have the same scenario as SYTA. It's getting near a major resistance around the $3.69. SYTA didn't recover from the $5 seller. AKST or AKTS didn't recover. Yeah, big seller around the 50. Let us see if we got something else. We got BZFD still number one. BCG, SYTA. Yeah, SYTA is preparing for a reversal here. Alert SYTA. So AKTS and BZFD not that good for now. BNAD, we have a target around the 130, but is overextended for now. I'm not entering for this one. It's kind of shabby, guys. Trading kind of shabby for this one. There's a lot of manipulation. It's not technical play. BZFD is still okay for now. Yeah, for now it look okay if we held here the $4. Otherwise, we're gonna have a pullback toward the 357. The same for AKTS. Whoa, we went until the 127. You see what's going on, guys? Big seller just came just below the 130. So now time to flush down. Yeah, we did a huge jump. BZFD reversing from the 4. SYTA is struggling, guys. If we broke the 368, we're gonna have a flush down. I'm not trying to be negative, guys, here, but I'm just saying what I'm seeing from the chart. So I'm not trying to sugar coded my message. Yes, ring picking PNAD, hold it down, everybody. Let's see which one is halted again on the haltation system. BNAD halted. Reason code is M. Reason M is mean volatility wise. LUDP, I think, is bending news. Sometimes when we have LUDP or bending news stock or T1, they take a lot of time, guys. It depends on the news. And they never, like, it's not 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Sometimes it depends on the news. Sometimes even 1 day, 1 week, 2 weeks. So, yeah, be careful, guys, from those stocks. How everybody doing? How the Hunter family doing? Come on, give us some feedback. Are you alive? Give us some signal. Woof, woof, woof. This one, you know what? This one I'm gonna pass on it. I'm gonna pass. That's why TA, guys, this one could be a good reversal story. You know what? This one could be a really good reversal story. Okay, SYTA, guys. Oh, brother, don't tell me. Oh, man, we couldn't buy this one. I tried to buy SYTA. They told me is limited to selling shares only. It was good entry, guys, really, because the stop loss is really near and the reversal is good. Anyway, AKTS not good for now. BZFD not good, guys. It's flushing down. Yes, this one is flushing down, flashing down. Broke the first support. You see, once we broke the 4, guys, we have a huge flush. Huge red candle. AKTS didn't break the 50 cents. This one is still holding down around the 110. SYTA, nothing much. Nice. Good to Faji. Alive and hunting. That's what I really like to hear. Good afternoon, John. How are you doing? Yeah, what a nice reversal, guys. SYTA, it was perfect reversal. We did 10% from this support. Not bad, really good trade here. Okay, AMC, we have a bit of seller coming for AMC. Look at this trade, man. Look at this shabby trade on channel. This is not good. You know what? This is not tradable. AMC and GameStop not tradable, either selling or buying, because you're gonna lose a lot of money. There is no decision here. There is no decision. The same for GameStop, no decision. The market is not decided yet. Oh wow, we have 7% acquisition. Nice. BuzzFeed. This stock is crazy, man. Whoa, BNAD unhalted and still holding the 91. Brother, this one could be the one. We got some news here. We got 57 million right offering, direct investments from 8 investors. Nice. 57, man. 57 million. Barnes and Noble education. That's why we have activity. Huge activity for this one. Anywho. Let me just put the live streaming link before I forget. Remember, guys, we gonna go live after this one, because first we have 2 live streaming. As a reminder, guys, the first live streaming that we do for the King and Elite members on our Discord and Patreon, where we traded AKTS, guys, before the live streaming and before this live streaming, because the entry was perfect, just over the 29 cents. We took 2 profit, the first one around the 37, and the second around the 50. And now we're gonna go live again on our Elite Hunter membership here. I just put the live streaming, guys, for our elite members to do a recap for the stocks that we're trading, and of course do a Q&A and respond to your questions after 15 minutes from now, guys. I'm gonna put the link again on our on YouTube or on Patreon, of course. Let me just put it on Patreon as well. Oh yeah, I just put it right now, guys. Just put the link to the live streaming on our Patreon as well. So, guys, BNED trying to break from the 127. BZFD try to reverse here. AKTS testing the support. SYTA testing the support again. So the only one right now still pumping is BNED, guys. But is not tradable for me. It's really risky right now. This kind of trade is really risky, guys. Huge flush, huge pump, huge flush, huge pump. So I don't trust any resistance right now because we might have a fake out, as you can see right now. So I'm gonna leave P and AD because it's gambling, kind of gambling right now. NVAX time machine or NVAX. Let me just check this one. Yeah, 11%. Yeah, we have the breakout from the 15. And yeah, it look really like an ATM machine. It's going toward the 1839 now. We might have 9% again. It looked good, yes, but slow mover. It's a bit slow mover. AKTS broke the support. Yeah, it doesn't look good now. It was good in the pre-market. Moulin, someone said Moulin is up. Let me just check Moulin. Up because it's near the bottom, but is really dead in volume, man. MVAX, I'm gonna put it on the maybe list. BZFD is kind of breaking the support, everybody. So it's kind of dangerous right now. BNED, I'm trying to wait for quietness from this trade because we don't have right now. Yeah, we might have an entry now, but I don't trust this support around the 127 because we can break it anytime. SYTA is about to break the support. AKTS, yeah, it broke kind of the support right now. We might have the test next time around the 29 and 25. So now this is the resistant now. I'm gonna lower here, yes. So BNED, what a crazy stock, man. I'm not gonna touch this one. I'm gonna get burned if I touch it. AMC is still, yeah, it's pulled back, but still not. We don't have a flush. Yeah, it could be a really good dip if we dip toward the $3.65. Would be perfect. But we have to pull back almost 18%. SYTA is still holding, man. Yeah, BZFD, not good anymore. This is the worst trade ever I ever took in this month, guys. For BZFD is not stable. So I learned my lesson from this one because BNED, I don't like it, so I'm not entering. You see what's happening here, flashing, guys. Fake out and flashing right now. That's why, guys, I always trust my instinct. Always trust my instinct, and if the stock had red flag, I'm not gonna go out in a date. It's like with a girl, you know, you can't see the red flag from the first date. So the best thing is to just go fast from the date, even if it's like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just get the hell away from the girl. Red flag is red flag, man. But a lot of people just bypass the red flag because they can't think. Most men they can't think when they are sexually aroused. So it's not good. You have to be more objective and focus the about what is called principles, or what is called like the things that you want in someone, and if they validated or broke what you want in a woman, you have to just get out. It's the same with the stock, you know, if you don't have a strategy, if you don't have a plan, if you don't know what you're looking for, guess what? You're gonna buy the shitty stock. And this stock will take your money and investment and time, and you lose everything. The same with the woman. You don't have principles and things that the girl should respect, like your time. If she come late or she doesn't respect your time, she use her phone during the date. There's a lot of red flags. So those the most important thing for me. And the last thing, the most important thing for me is the person doesn't have a passion. It's like they don't have something to wake up for or happy for to do, like to enjoy free time. So really, little three things. If three of them she doesn't have it, his mean run away. You don't have to waste time. So if you don't know what you're looking for, guys, guess what? Life will give you the worst choice. Yeah, man. You know why? Because why I say the woman have to have a drive and ambition and passion. Because if she don't have those things, she will play drama. She will play games with you because she's empty inside. The girls who play games, they empty inside. They want excitement in their lives. So if she has a passion, she don't have time to play games. She will be, or she will get those excitement in her life by doing sport or playing music or doing some science, or I don't know, like whatever make her tick. So this is what I found. The girls who empty inside, superficial, playing games, they don't have passion. Simple as that. And the same apply for a man. If guys playing games and going on one night stand and things like this, it means they don't have goal in their life and waste their time by looking for sex and meaningless sex, and just go from one to another and waste their life because they don't have goals. If you have goals and have ambition, you don't have time for this. Unless you are billionaires and you already have everything, you of course you're gonna do those kind of things. This is kind of what I do, guys, even for stocks, as I said. To narrow down my list from 10,000 stock, I know exactly what I'm looking for. So if I look for the chart, I know exactly what I'm looking for. So few seconds, I will disqualify or qualify a stock to trade or not. The same with people. It's like few seconds, few minutes, few simple questions, and just move on. I don't have to make drama in my life. I don't need drama, man. I already have it in stock market. BNAD is still holding down. SYTA still holding our support. MVX is pulling back. AMC is holding up. Guys, we're gonna go live over there on our elite hunt on our Discord. So we have just 5 minutes left to go live to do our extension or extended live streaming over there for our elite members. So if you are an elite member, guys, make sure to go. Of course, if you are on the elite member, you can go on the elite request, or you can find the link right now on the Patreon to join our live streaming Q&A, guys. We'll start in less than 5 minutes to continue hunting. Great hunt for today, guys. We already took our profit for AKTS that dumped on the market open. It was perfect in pre-market. That's why we suggest always go live and come early, guys, to hunt with us and our live streaming that we do daily, 2 hours and 30 minutes, of course, for our King and Elite members. So, guys, see you there for our live streaming, extended live streaming in few minutes from now. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, please just leave it here and I'm gonna answer your question on our Discord. So guys, thank you for watching. Tomorrow I'm gonna see you again to discuss the market live 30 minutes before the market open, and BNAD is unhalted and halted up right now, or almost halted around the 140% up. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you later to continue hunting the market on our Discord to discuss the market again for our elite members. Thank you for watching.